minority institution. So I acknowledge that at the time of its setting up, it wasn't a minority institution. So certainly no harm should come to any student who has so far been selected, Hindu or Muslim or any religion.
Let's clarify some things. Let's try to split the hairs. Mr. Omar Abdullah is trying to confuse. National Conference trying to confuse and confound the situation. That's not the case. Let's go, first of all, at the very root of the issue. Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine is a popular shrine not only in Jammu and Kashmir, not only in India, but across the globe. In 1988, the management, the assets, and all the endowments and all appurtenances included with the shrine, they were taken over by the Jammu and Kashmir Sarkar by virtue of a brute majority, by virtue of a law passed by a legislature. Our question remains, once this shrine basically is this shrine and one hospital, the employees of the shrine and this hospital too, but this university too, this thrives not merely solely, I'll use the word solely, on the offerings of the devotees of Shri Mata Vaishno Devi, then how come the state control? This is very sweet and simple. Now, with regard to this aid, which Mr. Omar Abdullah has been parroting every now and then, let me first of all clarify. The 2,000 crores, this fund has been placed at the disposal of this medical college by Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board. And it started as a small bait in the Corona times, because at that time pilgrimage was not moving. So they wanted something to pay their employees and all that. So it started with 10 crore, 20 crores, and a total of only 128 crores has been given by granted gate, that even which Jammu and Kashmir Sarkar might have got from the central government also. So 2,000 crores is one part, and 128 crore is still the granted aid. We can return that also. That's not the question. My question is, how come the Jammu and Kashmir Sarkar then narrate and parrot the lessons about Constitution, Article 14, Article 21, Article 22, sometime about Hindus and Muslims? Very sweet and very simple. This is not Hindu versus Muslim. Absolutely not. This is the case that how come, and what constitutional basis the Sarkar in Jammu and Kashmir and any other particular state also has over the offerings of the Hindus.
Okay.
No, but we can give, Shivani, I said 2,000 crores given by the Shrine Board, and 128 crores that even Bharat Sarkar's granted it. We can give that back also. You see, this is only the tip of the iceberg. My lead question remains, how come Sarkar take over illegally and unconstitutionally, not only take over, usurp the entire Shrine Board by virtue of a law passed by legislature?